Hey, y'all wake up, man. It's called the Barber again. So, I want to talk about this whole going Hollywood phrase that's going around. And I'm pretty sure y'all barbers know what I'm talking about. Clients will say, my barber went Hollywood, or he start acting, my barber got bougie, right? And y'all know what that mean, right? That mean that the barber probably raised his prices, got more business minded. So he's paying attention to his bookings, right? So he raised the prices, he's doing appointments, got very systematic, right? Developed himself into a professional, right? I went through this, I went through it. And I'm pretty sure it's a lot of my old clients, keyword old, not necessarily in age, but that just means that they're no longer, in my rotation, because I got professional, and this happens when you start to do appointments, when you start to raise your prices, when you get more systematic and when you get more business minded, when you start to run your profession and run your services as a business, you'll notice that people say you went Hollywood, because that just means that they like it better when you're just doing walk-ins. They like it better when your price is low. They like it better when they can just take advantage of it. They like that. But if you're having that problem, you don't want those people in your rotation anyway. You know what I'm saying? Because they serve you, no good. Because, when you get serious about your schedule, you trying to reach a quota every day, a certain quota, a week, a month, a year. You start tracking your income, you know what you're trying to make. And those people, they only will disrupt that. Either you're gonna make less because you're trying to cater to them, or they jump in and out your schedule and you get to losing clients, because you're trying to fit them in or whatnot. My whole saying is this: barbers do not go Hollywood. We just develop into systematic professionals who value our time. At first, when you first start, of course you're not doing appointments. Of course your price point ain't the same as it is once you get experience. Of course you're gonna level up, start doing appointments, and developing into more of a professional. You may not like profanity, right? You don't do walk-ins anymore, etc., etc. Some people won't grow with you, and that's fine. See, as a barber, everybody is not gonna grow with you. Sometimes you outgrow certain clients, and that season is over. Now it's time for new clients that fit the bracket of the type of people that you are trying to attract to your services. You understand? So don't feel bad about that. I have clients come, some new clients, they'll come and they'll be like, yeah, my barber got bougie, or my barber went Hollywood. I know what that means. So with that client in my mind, I'll ask. I ain't afraid of that. I'll ask. I'll be like, so what type of client are you? That's my question. I want to know what type of client are you? And then they kind of free to, well, because sometimes it's not the barber. The barber just got more systematic, and now that barber values his or her time. Then you're gonna go jump to the next barber and try to down talk your last barber. And that don't work over here, because I'm a barber. I'm gonna protect the barber's reputation, right? And granted, some barbers are not the best barbers when it comes to business and when it comes to client relations and all of that. But however, I'm gonna ride on the barber side first, because you're not gonna come down talk your barber to me and then I try to make your barber look whack to make myself look tight, because you would do the same thing to me if I do something or if my price point change. I get more strict on my policies. You're gonna go to the next barber and say the same thing. I don't do barber bashing over here. So yeah, man, going Hollywood is really not, it's not a thing. And you do have some barbers that get cocky, because we're all gonna have clients. We always gonna have clients. And you do got some barbers that get cocky. I had a certain time in my career where I got very, very cocky, but I just put a lot of pressure on myself and made myself humble, get a little more humble. Because if I'm getting cocky, that means everything going my way. I'm too comfortable. I need to put some more pressure on myself in my career so I can, grind hard, be more appreciative of what's going on, and what I got going on. And so you do have cocky barbers, but, going Hollywood, that's not the issue. You understand? So a lot of you're gonna hear that a lot. Once you leveling up, you have clients say all type of stuff about you. And as a barber, you gotta protect your reputation. Just make sure you're doing everything right. You ain't treating nobody bad, talking nobody bad. You raise your prices, that's fine. You start doing appointments, that's fine. Start being strict on your policies, your no-show, your late cancellation policies, that's fine. Ain't nothing wrong with that. It's nothing wrong with it. You didn't go Hollywood, you just developed into a systematic professional who values your time. Your off days are your off days. You can't call me up and ask for no haircut on a Sunday and Monday. Those are my off days. So, no haircuts, And some barbers do it to where they have it to where you can book an appointment on the off days. It just costs maybe 2 times the price of the average haircut, and that's fine, as long as they pay your price and they go on by your policy, And then people will say, "Oh man, you Hollywood." It's not Hollywood. It's not Hollywood at all. What it is the barber values his time. You think I'm gonna cut 50, 60 heads a week or whatever? Then on the weekends, I wanna cut too. I don't wanna hear no clippers. I'm spending time with my family. I'm spending time, even with myself. I'm enjoying the life that I built, So most of the time when people say they barber in Hollywood, it's because they saying, I can't take advantage of him or her anymore. You can't just call them up. I gotta book an appointment 24 hours in advance. Dang, you ain't $20 no more. You $40, $45 now. Dang, Dang, if I cancel late, you charging me half of what the appointment worth? Dang. Huh? Dang, if I just do a no-show, you charge 100% of the prepayment? Dang. Dang, you Hollywood, you bougie. I just can't, I can't come in there smelling like weed. I can't just walk in. Dang, you bougie, you Hollywood. I'm finna go somewhere else. I'm finna go where a barber that accept all of that and talk down on you. Sound crazy, don't it? Y'all gotta understand that, man. So, look, you ain't go Hollywood. You value your time. You feel me? You know what your time worth. That's your price point. You cut when you cut. Your hours are your hours. If they ain't with it, let them be gone. I told y'all. Barbers, you gotta have an abundance mindset. You understand? It attracts clients to you as well. But it also, you have to really be that though, because you can't care about losing no client, especially to you being more systematic, man. Yeah, but that's all I want to talk to y'all about. Look, Barber Suite Success Gems ebook. If you want to stay booked up in that suite of yours, you know, or you thinking about going to a Barber Suite, get the Barber Suite Success Gems ebook. You get it at night, whatever, I stay booked up. Y'all already know. Like the video, comment down below, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I'm dropping these things every day. Most importantly, wake y'all asses up.